Huamei Mobile Foam Machine Rational Model Operation Video. Proportioning Cleaning Agent. Standard 60-liter liquid storage bucket. Equipped with 2 to 3 cups of 1000 milliliters cleaner. Connect the gas supply. Open the air valve switch. Foam spraying. The foam is sprayed evenly from top to bottom. Cover the surfaces of equipment, tools, and environment to be clean. Turn off the ball valve switch. Place the nozzle properly.
这样往下就不太慢了。
High pressure flushing. From top to bottom, cleaning all equipment and tools. Rinse the dirt and foam off the surface of the environment. Turn off the air supply. Close the air vent. Remove the compressed air tube and place the compressed air hose.